Introducing the Rice Dispenser 20 pounds, a kitchen storage solution that will revolutionize your pantry organization. With its mesmerizing rotation and effortless access, this dispenser will put an end to pantry chaos and grant you instant access to a wide variety of grains and rice. Featuring a whopping capacity to hold up to 21 pounds of rice and an assortment of grains, this dispenser ensures that your kitchen is always stocked with the essential ingredients to unleash your culinary prowess. With 6 spacious grids, it magically separates different types of grains, lentils, sunflower seeds, popcorn kernels, quinoa, small beans, and more, showcasing its incredible kitchen organization prowess. Safety and excellence are uncompromised with this dispenser. Crafted from top-tier, BPA-free materials, it stands as a shining beacon of safety, preserving your culinary delights in a pristine and uncontaminated state. Experience unrivaled convenience and luxury with the complimentary measuring cup that comes with every rotating rice and grain dispenser. Thoughtfully adorned with rubber inserts to stay firmly in place, this dispenser also comes with a dazzling bonus 3-pack of chalk labels and a marker, allowing for regal portioning and organization. Embrace the future of pantry organization with the rotating rice and grain dispenser. Say hello to a tidier pantry and a kitchen that's a joy to work in. This dispenser is the crown jewel in every kitchen, offering a culinary metamorphosis like never before. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please ensure compatibility before making a purchase. Don't miss out on the brilliance of the ultimate kitchen storage solution. Click Add to Cart now and reign over unrivaled kitchen organization like never before. Product information: ASIN B0BXBL8QJ8 Customer Reviews 4.2 out of 5 stars with 45 ratings. Best Sellers Rank Number 218,276 in Kitchen and Dining. Date first available, March 28, 2023.